Hello friends and students, welcome back to Spotlight Marathi channel 2.0. My name is Chanchal and today we have to learn a new subject. Okay, I think you guess it which one is the subject. If you are a beginner to learn the English skill, okay, if you are working on your speaking English skill, so this video is for you. Okay, so this video is very important for me because the subject, the video content is totally guided by our audience, our subscribers. Okay, that's why I'm humbly thankful to all of you to appreciate me, to encourage me for these subjects and for this subject. Okay, so thank you so much, viewers and subscribers. Okay, uh, when we in this English, okay, in this English subject, there are two parts to learn it. Okay, the first is speaking English skill and the second is English grammar. Okay, today's video and our coming soon videos we have to learn our first skill, and that one is speaking English skill. Okay, if you are a beginner to learn the speaking English skill, if you have got some questions, so how to learn the speaking English skill, how to start for English speaking skill, so this video is for you to working on your skill. Okay, working on your skill, when you really practice it, when you really working on your skill, this video to help you to how to start, to how to start, which part is to start, which one is point to starting with your speaking skill. Okay, when I am starting with my speaking English skill, I am also get some problem when I am really practicing it. Okay, just like a pronunciation issue, uh, pronunciation issue, lack of vocabulary problem, and grammar mistake. There are some basic points to get into when I am really practicing it, to translate into problems. Okay, when I'm really just practicing it, and in that practice process I'm really practice again and again, I am just getting some solutions, and I have just realize it to how to overcome that problem and how to develop your speaking English skill. Okay, that's why I'm sharing my basic experience to you, to how to learn, how to start speaking English skill, how to which one is that one point to start the speaking English skill, how to work on your speaking English skill, how to practice alone to speak English skill. Okay, these are some points when you really practice it to get some problems, and you have also get some solutions about it. Okay, yes, if you really practicing it on working on your skill, if you are really practice daily speaking English skill, you have got some ideas to your own to how to overcome that problem. Okay, and this video is to help you to how to face that problems, how to overcome that problems, how to get a solution on it. Okay, so friends, if I am done some mistake, please forgive me, and please guidance me with your beautiful comments, and this is right to you to give me the guidance with your beautiful comments. Okay, you all subscribers and all viewers know me and our Spotlight Marathi 2.0 channel. Okay, in a present time I am just uploading on a Marathi grammar subjects, I am just working on a Marathi grammar subjects and also uploading on that one subject. Okay, the and if you really want a more subject just like geo, social science, history, you also if you really want on that subject, so please comment on the box to giving me the ideas. Okay, this video subjects I'm giving priority because our subscribers, our video, this channel videos wants from me to English lecture. That's why I'm giving priority to these subjects, and this is the English. Okay, and there are also two part and there is also I am divided into two parts, the speaking English and the English grammar, and we have working on our speaking English this today's and coming soon videos. Okay, and then we have also working on English grammar. Okay, friends, I am sharing with you the channel analytics, Spotlight Marathi 2.0 channel analytic viewers screenshot. Okay, you can also see on your screen your display. Okay, the viewers analytics in this channel, the most viewer, the first most viewer is our India, and the second most viewer is the nation of Canada, and the third most viewers is the United Kingdom. These some places when viewers and subscribers watch these channels videos. Okay, this is just a little information to about these channels. Okay, so friends, today what was the learning in that video? Okay, I have just given you some highlight point to this video. The first is LSRW. We have working, if you really working on your speaking skills. So what is meant by LSRW? So I am just in that video I'm just giving you the full form of the LSRW, and coming soon videos, these skills, LSRW skills, we have also working on it to how to work this LSRW when you and me working on our speaking skills. Okay, so I'm just giving you full form of LSRW. L means listening, L means listening, S means speaking, R means reading, and W means writing. So, listening, speaking, reading, and writing, LSRW. These four skills, the universal, I think it's my opinion, this is the universal rule to learn to any kind of people and any kind of object to having this universe. Okay, to follow these rules. Okay, so we have to working on your speaking English skill, we have also learned to these steps LSRW. Okay friends, I am accept it, I am not the best of the skill. Okay, and best of the skill also this language, there are various types of available content on the YouTube channel to better than me. Okay, but I am starting, I am just like you to starting with my basic skills to English speaking skills. Okay, and when I am just working on my skills, there are some basic experience to I want to share with you this experience to help you to improve yourself to speaking English skill. Okay, so I am accepted, I am not the best of the skills, I am just a good learner, and I'm just a good learner of these skills, not of these skills, any kind of language or a skill. Okay, I'm not a teacher of these skills, I'm just a student and learn of these skills or language, just like you friends. We both are learn from each other to how to develop these skills. So please communicate me with a comment box to and give me some guidance. Give me some also guidance with your beautiful comments. Okay, I just pick up the one word mistake. Then I past these days I am just reading a one book, and I am also giving that book name. Coming soon videos, I'm just picking out the informations, the beautiful informations about this mistake word, and I think it's my opinion to that word mistake, and the mistake beautiful line of that, this is also a universal rule to understand any concept, any other concept. Okay, I'm sharing with you that informations, and the beautiful line is, please listen carefully friends what I am saying it. The beautiful line is, it's okay to make mistake. Okay friends, I'm repeat it, it's okay to make mistake. Okay, if you really practice on yourself, if you really practice speaking skills, if you really working on your skill, any kind of skill, how to develop in that mistakes learning process. Okay, so if you really practice on yourself, if you really practice on your speaking English skills, you always remember it, it's okay to make a mistakes, because in the universe there is nobody, there is no one is a perfect, because you and me and any kind of person always make some mistakes, but we are now aware it, the mistakes, the mistakes as not a failure to the mistakes as not a failure, but opportunities to grow and develop your skills. So now we are aware it, because it involves the self awareness. Okay, in that mistake process it involves the self awareness and self commitment with personal growth, and also it involves to learn and growth with your personality. In that mistake process, if you really realize it, the hallmark of the mental strength giving by the mistake. Okay, if you really working on your mistakes, learning mistakes from learn to you realize it, how to work on yourself. Okay, So if you really practice it, you have also got some ideas, you have got some solutions to how to work on that, how to overcome that problems. Okay, and this practice this practice this again and again practice improves your confidence level. Okay, confidence improves practice. I repeat it, friends, confidence improves practice. That's why don't worry about it mistake. It's okay to make a mistake. Okay, just like mistake words, I am also learned any I'm just learned another word, the learn word. Okay, I think this is also a universal rule. The any kind of people and object in the having this universe, the learning process is also belonging to the any kind of objects. I'm just giving you the thought of that book, the in that learn word. Okay, the beautiful line is I'm sharing with you. I am sharing with you that's beautiful thought. The if Please listen carefully, friends. If you really don't learn yourself, no one can teach you, even also God. So these thoughts, this process to the universal process, if you really start working on yourself, you realize it. Okay. So why I am sharing this thought? Why I'm sharing this beautiful thought? Because I realize it, there is no teaching without learning. Okay, because the basic of the learning, and then you have to teach another. Okay, so that's why there is no teaching without learning. Okay, you remember it always, there is no teaching without learning. Okay, so I am also sharing with the beautiful thought of Socrates. The Socrates said us the Socrates said us the beautiful thought, the I'm not teaching anything anybody. I am just make them think. These beautiful words and thoughts give us to the thinker of the Socrates. Okay. So friends, if you really practice it, working on yourself, then you realize it how to self-taught. There are some I am sharing with you some points or some ideas. When I'm just really practicing it, I really realize it and I'm sharing with you. If you really realize it, if you really practice on that skills, you realize it. Okay, so first idea is just set your learning style. Okay, just set your learning style. Okay, and the second is find the purpose why you are learning that skills, why you are speaking skills. Okay, why you are getting a speaking English skills. The why is very important to find the purpose. Okay, the third is set a reasonable goals. Okay, when you really practice it, you have to work on that reasonable goals. Okay, why, and you have to get some reasonable goals to achieve it. Okay, when you working on yourself, you realize it what is your core strength, and just write down your notebook the what is your core strength. Okay, and the fifth is study in a positive environment. Okay, if you have a no if you have not a get a positive environment, you have also getting in your mind to how to get a positive environment. Okay, and the sixth is read books and academic articles. Okay, and seven is if you really working on your speaking English skills, you have to find out the educational media. Okay, this is the point. To if you really working on your speaking English skills, you have also got these points to why you are working on yourself, how to self taught. These some points to help you to improve yourself. Okay, so friends, always remember it, to learn from the mistakes. Are really working on yourself, you have got your better version. Okay, you have got yourself to better version, because there is no one can teach you, no one can motivate you. You got yourself to be experienced, and this experience making your better personality. And also you in that points, I want to share with you to make to you yourself god. Okay, you make yourself to your god. Okay, so because it doesn't matter who are you, where from you, this is the matter of who to become you, how to become you. This is very important. Okay, that's why I'm sharing with you to the beautiful thoughts of this. When you really practice it speaking English skill, if you are working on your speaking English skill, So I'm just sharing with you I'm really thankful to you to giving me the opportunity to my sharing with my basic experience it. Okay, in that process, the whole video's moral is okay, in that process the whole video's moral is to just speak it. Okay, the moral of this video is just speak it. If you really want to speak on an English skill, if you're really working on your speaking skill, so moral is the just speak it. Okay, so that's all my friend. I hope this experience you help you to and get some ideas to how to develop yourself, how to working on yourself to speaking skills. Okay, so I hope you really like it. If you really like it, please like and share. If you are not subscribe it, please subscribe it, because when you really want the more about more about this content or subjects, the subscribe button, it's get a first note, the subscribe buttons get a first notification to you about this channel. Okay, so I hope you really like it, subscribe it. Okay, I hope you understand it, what I am saying it, and what is my intention to talking about you to with sharing my experience. Okay, so till you are watching this video, so thank you so much to appreciate me, motivate me, encourage me for this subject. Okay, so thank you so much friends. Bye bye.